What's up, guys? Mobile Mechanic Jason here. I know I haven't updated you guys on the old 5 Buick that I've been working on. I know it's been here over a week, but I had to wait on some parts and some other things come in and had some other issues. But we have got the misfire worked out. He wanted the fuel injector changed, but while I was in there, I did find a broken wire. It was a short that was going to the coil pack on the number 5 cylinder, that's where it was showing. We did go ahead and change the fuel injector because the fuel injector wasn't spraying, it was dumping fuel, but that was not the misfire problem, but it was causing him some performance issues fuel economy wise. He could have used the other 5 injectors to be changed, but it didn't work out that way. Maybe later on. We did change out the intake gaskets and the TCV valve, as you can see, and now I'm changing the oil with the Wicks and Amsoil oil. I don't know if you can see where I fixed it, but I actually de-pinned the connector and had rewired the pin and stuck the pin back in the connector. It was actually one of the wires that go in the connector right there, but on the number 5 cylinder. And me showing you guys, I've got to put oil in the vehicle. So it calls for 5.5 quarts. I'm going to put 5 in and check it. After I get oil in it, we'll start it up and let you guys listen to it. And I know my lighting isn't the best for videos here, but we got it going on. There's the TikTok shop light with the 2 pieces that connects together to make one light on the light bar. I really like that thing. It actually lasted out pretty good. Because we put the 5.5 quarts in, I'm going to start it up. Let you guys listen and recheck the oil. He does have a few other issues. Smooth as a baby's bottom. He does have a little vibration, but he has a bad power steering pump, and then he has a bolt missing out of one of the motor mounts, which he knew about whenever they put the engine in before he bought the car. But here's the other issue. We cannot get the mileage off the vehicle, so I got to figure out how I'm going to do the oil change stickers. But the computer's not showing it either, so we got a problem there somewhere. But hey, keep on keeping on. I still got to do rear brakes, but that's another story. But keep on keeping on and stay greasy.